Hey, this is Sasha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I want to do is just share with you some things that are going on here in our website and what's going on with the Traders Fly area and community. And that is our options diagonal course. So if you haven't heard about it, if you're brand new to trading options, if you're just getting started with options, definitely check out our websites, and there's a lot of great getting started things. But if you already are starting to digest and get into some more things when it comes to options, we have a great course that's being released right now, and it is on sale. So let me share with you some thoughts of what's going on and what happened this week. All right, so here we have our website, Rise, number 2, Learn. This is where you could go ahead and check out our Options Mastery Diagonals course. This is actually the 5th course in the series. There's a lot of option courses that I've worked on over the years, and it really gets people going from start to finish when it comes to trading options. So you have the foundation, the business of options, like learning verticals, because that's kind of the core. Then you get into iron condors, calendars, and now we're getting into diagonals. And these courses are really detailed, except the first one's very basic. But other than that, most of these courses, like let's say these options of verticals course even, this course is 35 videos long and it's 22 hours. So it's not like a one DVD or anything like that that you would get in some other areas. So this course that we have right now, this is the diagonals course. And it's really packed with a lot of knowledge and insight with diagonal sample trades and much more. So as we do this launch and release, we've already released all these videos right here with I think the exception of the introduction, just because I like to do a summary towards the end. And then everything else right here, videos released on April 6th, we've released all of these videos right now as well. So if you're actually just watching this video and you actually already have the course, then go back to the course and continue watching this and learning from the course, because we've released these, got them back from the video editor, all those kinds of things. And they've been checked and added to the website, and now these are good to go. So you could go ahead and watch these. And these are very detailed videos. So in either case, if you're interested in getting this course, it's on sale, it's on a discount, go to the website. The code is right at the top. So that way, we don't have to change the price later. The coupon just expires. And if you want to get started, you could go to tradersfly.com, go there, scroll down. There's going to be a image right there or a button. You can click the text, and it'll take you right to that page and gives you kind of a pre-order option. If you want to see what this course is kind of all about, you could watch a little promo video there as well. Now, these modules that we went ahead and just released, here's a regular user account that I just logged into. As you go and scroll down into your members area, you could go ahead, hit watch now, and you can scroll down, and what you can see is we've added in a bunch of more modules. So it's going to give you the breakdown here, losing money on diagonals and don't know why. So let's just take a look at this one. This one's a 13-minute video, for example. So here you go ahead, hit play. We feed it from Vimeo, and then we go ahead, we do like a little introduction, typically what this module is about. And you can see we zoom in, or what I work on is I try to zoom in into the different zones, so you get a very crisp shot. So you can see the quality of the video is very good. And of course, you could go ahead and make it larger as well, just similar to how you're seeing me on screen. It's a little trippy, right, with seeing everything. Anyway, so as we go through these are kind of lessons here, and they're broken down into different little segments. So this one is like losing money on diagonals and don't know why. Here we talk about it, and we explain kind of where's the money coming from, why you might be losing some money. Then if you go, let's say, to the volatility advantage to trading diagonals, some people they think volatility works against them when they're trading diagonals, and it's not that. It's just that there's multiple things that make up the trade, right? And volatility is part of it. So we'll do things also on paper like this, and we'll talk about comparing it to like iron condors and then versus maybe the diagonals. So I think it's important that you really get a good grasp of things to understanding the education part of it, so that way you can make the smarter decisions as you get into these types of trades, or even use it as an alternative to maybe iron condors, because that's when you can get into double diagonals. And you can see in these areas, I get very detailed on paper, and then we'll go ahead and also break these things down on screen as well, so that way you can understand, hey, what's going on here? What's happening? Why would I structure the trade this way, that way, rotate it more, rotate it less? How many days do I go out? How many days do I buy the protection? Here's another one. Here's why this strategy is extremely flexible. I have a free video on this, but we go in even much more detail on this. video right here talking about rotation, left and right, flexibility. Here's some diagrams and much more. And then we compare it kind of to iron condors, and you can see there's a ton of meat and content and juice within these videos. How much rotation should you give? That's another question people really wonder. Well, should I really be extremely bullish? Should I be less bullish? Do I want to be a little more careful? And we talk about, are the all-time highs? Is the market sold off? We'll talk about different types of rotations and how rotated it should be, and then looking at the trading panel as well. So anyways, this course has got a lot of meat to it, a lot of educational power and oomph to it. And if you don't like studying, definitely do not buy this course. If you don't want to learn, do not buy this course. But for those of you that are serious, extremely interested in learning the right way to making money with diagonal spreads, really getting deep into the subject matter and want a good bang for your buck in terms of hours taught versus the price, this is a very good deal when it comes to learning and understanding diagonals. So you can get this course by just going to our website. And you can do that by going to tradersfly.com. And as you scroll down, you can see it right there. You can also see all the other courses. If you're brand new, just check out all these other courses that we have. And especially for option traders, you can sort it. We have a lot of option courses in there, and it'll link you up there as well. And if you're brand new, go to the Start Here section for Option Trading 101. You'll learn quite a lot there. And we're going to have a freebies section here as well for a lot of freebies that you can download. And all this stuff will relink you if you're getting a course to our website where we sell products, because the Traders Fly is all free. This is our Rise to Learn. And then you can go ahead, buy the course, and you'll get access to it. And we're releasing these videos periodically. So as you look through this, you can see the next batch of videos is April 20th, then May 4th, then May 25th, more trade examples. And then what we'll go ahead and do is do a kind of a webinar Q&A session there as well. So that's kind of the goal and plan. So I hope you join me. Check the link in the description below as well. That'll help you get started, link you up to the areas. There's plenty of links down there. So if you go to our website, I'm sure you'll be able to find that course. It's a great way for you to support us as well, to continue to making a lot of the free content that we have out there as well. Because I would say 99% of the videos and courses or course content that I have is free on YouTube. And, it's that with the courses, there's just much more depth to them. And it's all compressed and it's in order and much more detailed examples. So if you're serious, interested, and you want it all in one spot, boom, you want to go through it, check out the course, support us, and it's a great win-win situation. Thank you again. Remember to hit subscribe or join us on the newsletter list so you can see when we release other great things, Q&A sessions, live events, all that good stuff, and much more.